Starting your journey in a programming can be both exciting and a bit intimidating. But don't worry, running your first program is a straightforward process, and it's the perfect way to dive into the world of coding. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to write and run your very first program. Whether you're using Python, JavaScript, or any other language, the basic principle remains the same. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a working program and the confidence to explore more on your own. So let's start with what is a program. Let's take a moment to understand this concept. A program is a step of instructions that a computer follows to perform a specific task. These instructions are written in a programming language, which is a special language designed to communicate with computers. Running a program simply means that you are telling the computer to execute those instructions step by step. The result could be anything from displaying a message on the screen to performing complex calculations. For this tutorial, we'll use Python, one of the most beginner-friendly programming languages. Python's syntax is simple and easy to read, making it a great choice for your first program. However, the concepts you'll learn here can be applied to any other language. If you don't have Python installed on your computer, you can either download it from the official website or use an online platform like Google Colab, which we discussed earlier. For simplicity, we'll use Google Colab in this tutorial. Now, let's write your first program. The most common first program for beginners is the Hello World program. This program simply displays the text Hello World on the screen. It's a great way to get familiar with the basic structure of a program. For this, let's ask the chatbot ChatGPT that what is the first program for beginners? And let's wait for the output. So it says, the first program that beginners often write is the Hello World program. It's a simple program that displays the text Hello World on screen. The purpose of this program is to introduce beginners with the basic syntax and structure of a programming language. Here's how Hello World looks like in a few different languages. Let's look at the Python one first. So it's just a one-line code which says print, brackets, Hello World, and then the brackets close. So let's copy this code and let's go to Google Colab. Now we'll paste our program and click on this button. So our program is executed. It displays Hello World on our console. So yeah, congratulations, you have just run your first program. Let's quickly understand what just happened. So everything that was included in these brackets were displayed on the console. So if we typed here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and pressed this button, we'll see an output Hello World 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So everything that was included in apostrophes in these brackets were simply displayed on the screen. So the beauty of this simple program is that it demonstrates the entire process of writing, saving, and running a code. It's a basic sample, but the steps you took are the foundations for all programming. Now that you have successfully run your first program, you can try expanding it. Here are a few ideas. You can ask the user for input. For this, let's modify our program and type. First, let's add a new code, and now let's type name is equal to input, what is your name in brackets, and then print hello plus name. So now let's run it and see the output. So it asks what is your name. For this, let's type Sam and press enter. So it says hello Sam. Any name that you give as input will be displayed next to hello. This small change introduces you to user input and string concatenation. We'll be discussing about these concepts in detail in our next videos. So now you can write a program that adds two numbers together. For this, I'm going to type num1 int input, enter the first number, and then you enter the second number. And then this result variable combines num1 and num2. And then this print statement simply displays the output. Let's run this. So it says enter the first number. Let's choose 6 and press enter. Now it says enter the second number. For this, let's choose 10. And then it says the sum is 16, which is the correct answer. You can also try creating a loop. Each of these examples builds on the basic concepts you have already learned, helping you to slowly increase your understanding and confidence. So, running your first program is a major milestone in your programming journey. It's the first step towards creating more complex and useful applications. Remember, the key to becoming proficient in programming is practice. Keep experimenting with different programs and don't be afraid to see the mistakes. They are an important part of the learning process. So go ahead, try out new ideas, and continue exploring the world of programming.